What's the church doing with the money anyway? We use a myriad of things to justify our love for money. And it sounds like wisdom. God is not against prosperity. He is opposed to the desire for prosperity outside of him. Because the desire for prosperity outside of God is actually a desire to despise God. A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. A generous person will prosper. Isn't that a bit countercultural? It's not about the money you make, it's the money you keep. No, not give away. Culture says it's not what you make, it's what you keep. The scripture says it's not what you keep, it's what you give away. Generosity not only tames the spirit of mammon, it invokes the grace of prosperity over our lives. Showing a readiness to give more of something, as money or time, that is more than what is strictly necessary or expected. That is generosity. Generosity is not just meeting the quota. Generosity is going above and beyond the quota. Generosity is not, I'm just going to give my 10% and y'all leave me alone. Generosity is, I'm going to do that to honor God, and how else can I be a blessing?